Hey hipsters, do you have a love-hate relationship with glitter nail polish? I do too. Sometimes it can be really difficult to apply, but I'm here today to tell you 3 different ways how to apply it. So don't forget to stick around until the 3rd way, because I'm going to show you a great hack how to get opaque coverage. Welcome to IPSY Beauty 101, all about glitter nail polish. My name is Denise Bourne, and I am a celebrity manicurist. I've done nails for Vogue, Kylie Jenner, and Eva Longoria. Let's get started on the first look. First, you want to start with clean manicured hands, and if you want your polish to last long, you want to apply a base coat evenly to each nail. Now the fun part, creating a party on your hands. Swipe a couple of coats of glitter polish to each nail. The more coverage you want, the more coats you can add. And don't forget the most important part, you always want to apply a top coat, just so your manicure lasts. Now we're on to the second way. You'll want to start with a base coat once again. Once that dries, you can move on to a coat or 2 of your favorite polish. I have chosen this Pretty Woman nail polish in Don't Be Jelly. It is a raspberry plum shade, perfect for the fall, and I love that it's vegan. Some of you may have gotten this in your October glam bag. Let us know in the comments if you did. Now, once this polish is completely dry, you can layer on the glitter. This is Bougie Behavior by Trust Fund Beauty. This color complements the berry shade that we just put on. Finish it off with a super shiny top coat and you're ready to go. You might even start feeling bougie after getting this sparkly manicure. Next, we have an unconventional way to apply glitter nail polish, and it doesn't even involve applying it with a brush. Let me show you how to apply it with a sponge and your life will be changed. All you need is your favorite glitter polish, a beauty sponge, and maybe even these polish barriers. These are optional, but recommended for less cleanup. Start off with applying the polish barriers and then a clear base coat. Next, get your beauty sponge and apply a thick layer of glitter polish on the corner. Next, press it onto your nail and dab to distribute the product. Keep applying glitter to the sponge and dabbing until you get the results that you want. I'm going for a glittery disco ball effect, so I loaded up on the glitter to get this opaque finish. So finish up with a great top coat and you're ready to go. I hope you found these glitter tricks useful. So let us know in the comments if you want a video on how to remove glitter nail polish. I'm Denise, and thank you for watching IPSY Beauty 101. See you next time.